So have you ever looked out at the line forming in your store and wish you had a space for an additional register? Did you know that you can use your handheld as a line buster or a mini POS? With the remote sale module of the handheld, you can begin a sale there by scanning the customer's item, telling the system how many, and then resume it on any POS in the store. And then that sale will appear as a suspended sale in the main point of sale. Saves everyone valuable time. Another great use for this feature is if you have a walk-in humidor. An employee can walk the humidor with the customer and add each cigar as the customer chooses it. And then when it comes time for the customer to check out, you don't have to get all the cigars out of the baggie and ring them up. So, hope you enjoyed this time-saving Fast Tracks fact.